If you need to create your next marketing campaign in which you'll be giving discount coupons to your customers, it would be a good idea to identify which of all your coupons have been the most used by your customers in the past, as this can give you clues on what to avoid and what to keep in mind to improve your sales opportunities. But if you want to check this in WooCommerce, you will have to spend a few hours going through your coupons one by one. To help you with this time-consuming and tedious task, in this video, we'll show you how to quickly find the most used coupons using WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin contains a great bulk editing tool that allows us to edit thousands of coupons at once. In addition, you can edit the values in the spreadsheet just like you do in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find a link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. After you have installed and opened the plugin, let's see how to filter the most used coupons using the search tool. For this example, we'll look for all coupons that have been used more than 50 times. To do this, open the search tool. Tick here to enable the advanced filters. Then select usage as the field key. As an operator, we'll select greater than. Now enter the number of times you consider here. In our case, we'll enter 50. Finally, run the search. And all the coupons that have been used more than 50 times will be displayed in the spreadsheet. As you can see, finding the most used coupons doesn't have to be a headache, as you can do it quickly with the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.